Proverbs 29. If you get more stubborn every time you are corrected, one day you will be crushed and never recover. Show me a righteous ruler, I will show you a happy people. Show me a wicked ruler, I'll show you a miserable people. If you appreciate wisdom, your father will be proud of you. It is foolish to spend money on prostitutes. When king is concerned with justice, a nation will be strong. But when he is only concerned with money, he will ruin his country. If you flatter your friends, you set a trap for yourself. Evil people are trapped in their own sins, while honest people are happy and free. A good person will know the rights of poor, and wicked cannot be understand such people. Things. People with no regard for others can throw whole cities into turmoil. Those who are wise keep things calm, and intelligent people bring an lawsuit against a fool. Fool only laughs and becomes loud and abusive. Bloodthirsty people hate anyone who is honest, and righteous people will protect the life of such person. Stupid people express their anger openly, but sensible people are patient to hold it back. If a ruler pays attention to false information, all his officials will be liars. A poor man and an oppressor have this in common: the Lord gave eyes to both of them. If a king defends the rights of the poor, he will rule for long time. Correction and discipline are good for children. If a child has his own way, he will make his mother ashamed of him. When evil men are in power, crime increases, but righteous will live to see the downfall of such men. Discipline your child, you can always be proud of him. He will never give reason to be ashamed. A nation without God's guidance is like a nation without order. Happy is the man who keeps the God's law, who cannot correct a servant just as be talking to him. He may understand, but he will pay no attention. There is more hope for a stupid fool than for one who speaks without thinking. If you give your servant everything he wants from childhood on, someday he will take everything you own. People with quiet tempers cause lots of quarreling and trouble. Ignorance will bring your downfall. If you are humble, and you will be respected. A thief's partner will be his own worst enemy. He will be punished if he tells the truth in the court, or God will curse him if he doesn't. It is too dangerous to be concerned with what others think. If you trust God, you are safe. Everybody wants the goodwill of the ruler, but only the Lord can get the justice. The righteous hate the wicked, and the wicked hate righteous. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share to our channel, and give your valuable thoughts with us in the form of comments.